Johnny Johnston, retired squadron leader, ex-bomber and a navigator. I joined at 18. Admittedly, it was just 3 weeks before my 19th birthday, but I was proud to be a member of the Royal Air Force.
Can you tell us who your crew were, Johnny?
The boss man, Joe McCarthy, our skipper. There's him, the navigator, right? At the back, note the angle of the hat on the head, Batson, mid-upper gunner and front gunner of the Damsray. That's Bill Radcliffe, the flight engineer, and this is Len Eaton, the daddy of the crew, in fact the oldest member of the squadron at 37, and then Joe Soap over at the other end.
We are honoured to support the fundraising for the window and hope the campaign is a success to help remember that incredible dam buster story.